Sa tindi ng init ngayong summer, importante ang tubig. And this week at CBN Asia, we are looking at how our humanitarian arm, Operation Blessing, makes clean potable water accessible to underserved communities in remote barangays. This first quarter of 2013, Operation Blessing has already built 9 wells in Nueva Ecija that is benefiting close to 1,500 persons. They also built 11 wells in Catanduanes that is now serving more than 2,500 community members. Ang sabi ni Lolita ng Nueva Ecija, malayo ang nilalakad namin para makaigib ng tubig. Dahil nagpagawa ng poso ang Operation Blessing, mas madali nang kumuha ng malinis na tubig. Ang sabi naman ni Betty ng Catanduanes, maraming nagkaroon ng diarrhea sa barangay namin noong 1 taon dahil sa maduming tubig. 2 sa kanila ang namatay. Salamat sa bagong poso na pinatayo ng Operation Blessing. Meron na kaming pagkukunan ng malinis na tubig. Lolita and Betty are just 2 of the more than 4,000 residents of Nueva Ecija and Catanduanes who now have clean, potable water because of your generous and faithful giving. Thank you for being a tangible expression of God's love and concern for our underserved countrymen. God bless you.